Our follower wanted to get over his biggest fear someday, so we made it happen. But it took a lot of convincing.
I want to take you skydiving. It's my time to push you out of your comfort zone and take on that altitude.
But you know, once you say it, like my heart starts beating.
How high are we jumping?
We're gonna jump from 4 kilometers, about 12,000
4
feet.
kilometers.
Yeah, 12,000
My God. I'm gonna jump for 4 kilometers.
You are indeed.
Oh my God.
How are you feeling right now?
I'm nervous, but I'm gonna do it too though.
Yeah, no back to gas.
No.
Skydiving, I think it's really dangerous.
It's not
bro.
dangerous.
Is it safe?
It's safe. Don't stress, don't worry. We can go and take this and make your someday today.
You have to promise me it's gonna be like...
You're fine, don't worry. Dude, we're so proud of you. Well done, bro. I appreciate it.
It was really, really good. I love it.
The best experience ever!